Hi students, in this class we are going to see few examples on work done. A gas expands in a piston cylinder device from volume V1 to V2. The process being described as P is equal to A by V plus P B, and the work done is equal to, it's a simple question, P dV A by V plus B into dV. If you do integrations, A into ln V2 by V1 plus B into V2 minus V1. So from limits are V1 to V2. Direct answer. Let's go to the other question. The indicator diagram of gas is shown in the figure. The work done by gas during each path is work done by the gas during each path. So let's see work done by in path AB. So what kind of process? Isochoric process. It is equal to 0 because volume remains constant. Work done in process BC. BC is area under the curve, volume is increasing. It is a positive work or negative work? Positive work. So positive, area under the curve. Area under the curve is nothing but, so with rectangular section, height is 2p into width is 2v. It is equal to plus 4 into pv. So work done in a BC process is done. Next, work done in CA process. So work done in CA process, area under the curve. So work done in CA, it's a positive or negative? Volume is decreasing, so minus. So area under the curve, it's like a two parts. One is a triangular part, another one is a rectangular part. Triangular part, half into width into height. Height is nothing but p, width is 2v. So p into 2v plus, and it's like a rectangular section, 2v, and here is 2v into p. So p into 2v. So it is equal to, so minus 3 pv is the work done by the gas in process CA. So next work done is equal to, add all the works. So work done, net work done is equal to 4 pv minus 3 pv. It is equal to pv is the net work done. Okay, what is a work done negative means? It is work done on the system. Work done on the system. So minus 3, work done on the system is plus 3 pv. Work done by the system is minus 3 pv. So minus 3 pv is work done by the system. Work done on the system is plus 3 pv. So that you'll understand later parts. Work done during each path is, so generally whenever you see question like area under the curve, you may find area under the curve. This is wrong, because area under the curve, what is the formula for area under the curve? Integral p dv. P should be in which axis? Y axis. Volume should be in which axis? X axis. Here volume is in which axis? See, volume is in Y axis and pressure in X axis. So this directly we should not find area under the curve like this. We should make P in Y axis curve. So let's move it. I am rotating it. So now if you see, this is like a properly situated V2 and V1, P1 and P2. Okay, work done in AB. So work done in AB process. So it is going, how it is going? Work isochoric. Work done AB is equal to 0. Work done BC is equal to area under the curve. Area under the curve for complete section. So BC is given only up to BC section. So area is equal to P2 into width is V2 minus V1. Work done in CA section. So this is positive or negative? So the volume is decreasing. So if you see, volume is decreasing in BC part, so minus. Work done in CA process. CA process is positive because V2 is greater than, so V2 is greater than V1. So okay, now yeah, work done CA is equal to half breadth into height. So V2 minus V1 into height is P2 minus P1 plus, then next remaining part P1 into V2 minus V1. So this is the amount of work done in a CA process. Let's go to the other part. Pressure and temperature graph is given. Draw the pressure versus volume graph, and volume of gas at A is V0. Here area volume is V0. Okay, to draw, see, this is changing from one graph to another graph. In this case they might have given the PV PT graph. It should start from origin. If it is starting from origin, what kind of process it is? PV is equal to nRT So P is equal to nR by V into T. What kind of process? Isochoric process. This nR by V is remaining constant. Isochoric process, volume remains same. So from AB process, volume remains same, volume V naught. And next BC process. BC process, isothermal process. So PV is equal to nRT, PV is equal to constant, PB VB is equal to PC VC. So PB is equal to 3 P naught, and VB is nothing but whatever volume here V naught and same volume here, because isochoric process. V naught is equal to PC is nothing but how much? P naught. VC is equal to, so P naught gets cancelled, VC is equal to 3 V naught. So 3 V naught. So volume what happened? Increased. So volume increased in isothermal process. This is an isothermal process, volume is increased. Next, CA process. So what kind of process? Isobaric process. So it's isobaric process. V1 by V2 is equal to PV is equal to nRT. So V into T, V by PV is equal to V1 by V2 is equal to T1 by T2. So what is a V1? So VC, we can be similarly written as VC by VA is equal to TC by TA. So VC is equal to how much? 3 V naught by VA, and VA already know, we know already VA is nothing but V naught. So let's draw the graph. To draw the graph, so pressure and volume. So initially isochoric process, so volume remains as it is, but pressure is increased, P naught to 3 P naught. So from P naught to 3 P naught, volume is increased. Then what happened? Isothermal expansion. So volume initially V naught, and it is increased to how much volume? 3 V naught. How it is isothermally. Next, from here, and so the volume we got a 3 V naught. From here again it comes back isothermally, and the volume it reaches the same initial position. Okay, so this is how the graph will be. You can get the area under the curve, that will be nothing but work done. Okay, so you can find the net work done in the graph. So try to solve the problem here, problem for this one, and try to solve this one also. I am giving some time. So find a work done in each process you have to calculate. So I want to give one more question. Okay, in the previous cases we saw different processes, but now I'm going to give so in cyclic process we have seen. So in this case A, B, C. Okay, here is volume V naught, and it's a 3 V naught. Pressure is P naught, it's T P naught. What is the net work done in the process? Remember, see the arrow marks properly. Work done in AB is equal to 0. So see, whenever you solve problem, volume work done is positive or negative depends on arrows. Work done in AB is equal to 0. Work done in BC, positive or negative? Positive. It is equal to 2 P naught into 2 V naught, because height into width, it's like a rectangular section. Next, work done in AC process, not a CA process. It is positive or negative? Positive. Positive into half into, so some part is like a triangle, another part is like a rectangle. Half into P naught into 2 V naught plus P naught into 2 V naught. It is equal to 3 P naught V naught. So this is positive work, and that is also positive work. Total work done is equal to 7 P naught V naught. In the previous case when we saw, the arrow mark was reverse, right? So that's why we got a P naught V naught. Thank you very much.